They are as scared as us as we are of them.
Stay on trails and out of tall grass and stay on trails.
It says avoid snakes!
Okay, so it'd be like, hi, my name's Harmony.
Hi, my name is Gabby.
We're part of the Sam Houston project of going to Wildcat Bluff Nature Project.
To go plant trees.
To go plant trees, yeah.
But why are we planting trees?
Because we use literally 1 million sheets of paper per year.
And you wanna know something else? We get to miss school.
Red, for red, fight, fight. For the blue, fight, fight. For red, fight, fight. For the blue, fight, fight. Go fight way!
I think it just started with a random idea and a conversation that was just about general tallies in the building. Mr. Phillips talked about how in first semester we were using 100 boxes of paper, and we did the quick tree math, as we called it. So just using that basic average to project that through the school year, we were going to use 1 million pieces of paper just in this building. And then just for fun, we were like, I wonder how many trees that is. And I'll be honest, when I saw that the number was 120, I was shocked. And so it grew beyond that of like, wouldn't it be cool if we could plant some trees? And then we talked about, well, where are we gonna do this? And sometimes I feel like we fundraise for what goal, right? Like, what is the purpose of student council bringing in money, or where does that go? Where does their efforts go? And I think it was a very tangible thing that we could take the students somewhere to see their efforts pay off.
Are you ready?
Yeah!
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 Oh my gosh, keep up that same energy.
The first goal was our fundraising goal of $325 just for the 125 saplings. When we surpassed our goal with our very first fundraiser, we thought to ourselves, well, perhaps we can grow this bigger. Maybe there's more that we can do. And that's where the secondary part of the project came in, that we wanted to plant a tree here on campus to represent the work that the council went into it. And so we dove into that, and we're working with Hutch Reed at Save a Tree, and he's helping us to make that come to life.
Basically what it is now with our generation, it's you see someone else doing it, now you want to do it. And we want to do a positive ripple effect, not a negative one.
Yes, that's exactly what happens now. You see something, do something. I can't wait to say, oh, I remember this when I was little. I remember planting that tree.
I think one of the most important things we can teach our students outside of this building is some critical thinking skills. And so learning to problem solve and work through life is such an important part of education.
Stay on the marked trails, watch your step, and wear closed-toe shoes!